So we finally made it to the black lava here after seeing a beautiful, beautiful sunrise on top of Mount Batur. Sunrise was gorgeous and everything. We took a Jeep ride to the black lava, and I have to give a shout out to the driver.
Hi. Black lava was erupted from 1963. So when one of the biggest erupted we have on Mount Batur. So when we have one of the village covered by the lava, they was here on 1963. And also we have one biggest caldera we have in Indonesia. They was in Kintamani. So now we are in the crater. So we are in the middle of the caldera Batur, the name of it. Thank you.
I have to say, when you come to Bali, don't just stay in Canggu, don't stay in Ubud. Come up here in the northeastern part of Bali, trek the mountains, see the sunrise in the morning, and then come explore the black lava, because just exploring all of this, seeing how beautiful Bali truly is. Bali has beaches, they have temples, and apparently they have a lot of active volcanoes still. This is what you get whenever you do book with this tour company. Breck, what's this?
Snake fruit.
Oh, what kind of fruit is this?
Snake fruit, yeah. Inside you can taste it later. It's really nice taste.
What?
And then this is, we call it chocolate. Bang bang. It's really
Bang
nice.
bang?
Yeah, bang bang. Then this is guava, the fruit. This is drink.
Oh, okay, I love
Yeah,
guava.
it's
Yes,
really
yes,
good.
yes. I do have a couple of tips for y'all. If you're going to hike up the mountain, make sure you bring a jacket, some sweatpants, a headlamp, because it is not going to be the same weather. It's not going to be warm like it is in Canggu or Ubud, especially if you're climbing at 2 or 3 in the morning. Just like he is dressed, this is how you want to be dressed.
Yes, this was shoes, long pant, and jacket.
Yes, yes. And then also, if you don't feel like hiking up the mountain, take one of these bad boys. They will definitely take care of
I
you.
will drive you safely at the top of Mount Batur to see the sunrise with a jeep.
We'll get some tea in the morning, so it's definitely worth it. It's 5 a.m. here on the island, and right now I'm here with 2 Indonesians. And literally got some free red bananas, some tea. We'll see if it's better in Turkish tea. And then a bottle of water. And I'm up so early in the morning because today I'm going to go see a sunrise here at one of the volcanoes in Indonesia. And then there's one last thing to note. Whenever you do actually book one of these tours, there's going to be at least 20 more Jeeps and a lot of other people. So when you're talking to your driver, see if they can take you to the black lava right after seeing the sunrise, because then more people are going to show up. As you guys can see, they are arriving right now. Eat this. Oh yeah, how do I eat this? You said it's a snake fruit?
Yeah. That is done. So now just take it up this, hold it and eat it.
Okay, so this is why you travel, trying exotic fruits and faraway lands, and just learning more about other people's cultures. Wow, I've never had snake fruit, and this is, I don't think I could describe this at all. Like, this is definitely different. If you come to Bali, make sure you go to the market and you get some snake fruit. Honestly, traveling around Bali in a Jeep, seeing a sunrise, just really brings you back to Mother Earth. It's just so beautiful here in Bali. If you want to see more of Bali, then click this video right here.